Recessed low-voltage mid-size plates. Conceal multiple low-voltage A/V cables behind your wall-mounted display. It is hard to enjoy your new mounted flat-screen TV with all the dangling cords being exposed. Quickly and easily hide those unsightly cords with DataComm Electronics recessed low-voltage mid-size plate. This power kit allows you to pass low-voltage cables and power through the wall, creating a professional, clean look for your home theater. Available in 3 different styles including surge and commercial-grade options: Dual Power Surge Suppressor, 20 Amp Dual Power Receptacle, Duplex Receptacle. Low-profile design fits behind the industry's thinnest mounts and TVs. Quick and easy install. Top reviews from the United States. Easy install. I installed this behind my fridge. The vintage 70s kitchen was not built for today's enormous refrigerators, and this gained me a full inch of depth. I installed with a different outlet rather the one it came with, but everything fit together well.